happening? My cake, oh no. It was supposed to be perfect.
Mom, what happened?
I burned it really badly.
Is that cake?
It used to be.
I can't wait to see her tonight.
"5 years. I wanted something special."
Why was it important?
Because we were so busy this year.
We barely saw each other.
I know. I wanted to surprise him. Okay, step 1. Easy. Two cups of sugar. A little extra won't hurt. This is going great! Let's make it a little faster. Perfect. This will be beautiful. He's going to love it. See, I didn't even need exact measurements. Everything smells fine. That's strange. Did I set it too high? No, no, no! Oh no! No, no. I ruined it. It was supposed to be perfect. "5 years and I couldn't even do this right."
Why does this always happen?
I ruined everything.
He's home.
What happened? Hey, breathe. It's okay. Come on, let's sit.
I ruined everything.
No, not everything.
It was supposed to be perfect.
It's already perfect because of you.
Even burnt?
Especially burnt. This is not a failure.
It feels like it.
Love isn't about perfection.
We survived the disaster.
We survived and laughed.
It's messy.
But it's ours. Pizza?
Yes.
I like this cake better. Pizza's better anyway.
Even without cake?
Especially without cake.
Next time, cake will be perfect.
Or we'll just laugh again.
No burnt cake next time, okay?
Promise!
Deal.
Family hugs fix everything. Yeah!
It really turned out okay.
Way better than okay. Perfect.
Even without the cake.
Exactly, especially without it. It's the love we put in it.
That makes it perfect.
Best day ever. Even better than cake.
It was messy.
But it was ours. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our story,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
see you next time.